Assalamualaikum. Soalan seterusnya, soalan nombor 12. Diagram 12 shows a straight line PQ which is perpendicular to the straight line QR at point Q. The equation of the straight line QR is like that on the screen. Okay, the question is find the coordinate of P. Alright, we want to find coordinate of P, this coordinate. So what do we need to know? So we know, okay, we know the equation of QR. We know the point that it passes through. So the first thing you need to know is to find the equation of the line PQ. Okay, QR is given, so you can do that. So first of all, let me copy this question. Right, let's do that. Sorry again. Okay. So QR, line QR is this 2y equal to x minus 4. Then this is actually equal to y equal to half x minus 2, because just divide everything by 2 so that I can leave only single y on the left hand side of the equation. Okay, I meant to do this. Okay, which means that gradient is half. Okay, let's take a look at these two lines, right? And these two lines are perpendicular, so this gradient, I call this gradient M1, okay, and this I call it gradient M2, which is half, 1/2. Okay, and if you know, for two perpendicular line, the product of two gradients are the product of the gradient is -1. So in this case, M1 multiplied with M2 is equal to -1, and M2 is half, 1/2. So 1/2 M1 is equal to -1. Then M1 is thus -2. Alright. So we can say gradient of line, what is that, PQ, yes, gradient of line PQ is M1 equal to -2, and line PQ passes through, what coordinate was that? 2, 1. Point Q, right? Pass to point Q. Pass it to Q, which is to -1. Then gradient formula, which is y minus -1 divided by x minus 2. Okay, this -1 and 2 and -1 is the coordinate of Q, is equal to -2. Okay, this is how you general term for the gradient. If you recall, the gradient formula is something like this: y2 minus y1 of x2 minus x1. No, this is M, the gradient. Just a side note. Okay, But if you want to find the equation, knowing the gradient and the point that it passes through, then you use the one that I just written here. Okay, you just need to use this. Then this is y plus 1 over x minus 2 equal to minus 2. Then y plus 1 is equal to minus 2x plus 4. And as such, y is minus 2x plus 3. So this is the equation. Equation of line PQ. Alright. Then how do you want to find out value of coordinate of P? Okay. Because the line also passes through P. PQ passes through point P. Okay. At P, x is 0. Okay, then I just call it 1. Then put x to 0 into 1. Then we get y equal to 3. Therefore, coordinate of P is 0, 3. There you go. That's the answer. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 13. This is about vector. Diagram 13 shows two vectors OA and AB. Given that magnitude of OA is equal to magnitude of OB. And we are supposed to write vector AB in the format of the what I call that, Cartesian plane format in terms of I and J. Okay, let's copy and put it somewhere else. Alright, so here it goes. Okay, magnitude of OA and OB are the same, which means that, okay, the length over here, is the same as the length over here. Okay, let's just so what is the question is, what is magnitude of OA? What is it? So we can use Pythagoras theorem. If you draw a triangle here, and then we know that this is 3 unit because coordinate 3, and this is 4 unit. Okay, then we can write what is that? OA, magnitude of OA is square root of 3 squared plus 4 squared, which is square root of 25, which is 5 unit. And then magnitude of OB is the same as magnitude of OA, and as such is equal to 5 unit as well. So what do you think the vector of OB? Yes, the vector of OB is negative 5i. Alright. Then next, because you want to find out AB, then AB is equal to AO plus OB. Yeah. AB is equal to AO plus OB. Is it true? AO, OB. Alright. Then what we know is that OB, OA, OB we know already. AO is minus 3 minus 4. But AO is minus 3i minus 4j. Okay, so AB thus negative 3i plus minus 4j plus negative 5i, which is negative 9i and negative 8i. Negative 8i minus 4j. Or I can say negative 4 to 2i plus j. Okay, here's the answer. Let's take a look at the next question. Question number 14 is still a vector question. Given OA is 3i plus 4j, OC and such and BD as such, find AC. Okay, let's transfer this again to a new piece of paper. This carries 4 marks. Okay, do not waste it. Okay, let's work on it. So OA is 3i plus 4j, OC is 4i plus 5j, and BD is, okay, 2k minus 3 and I plus 3j. So what is AC? AC is equal to AO plus OC. Okay, let's take a look at OA. If you have OA, that goes like this. This is O, this is A, OC, 4, 5. Okay, 4, 5. Wow. Well, it's somewhere something like this. It's quite close. It's quite close. So how do I draw that? Okay, this is C. Okay, and then AC. If you want to find AC, I write it in red. And then it's equal to AO plus OC. And this basically means because AO is a inverse of OA, then it is minus 3. Let me just step by step. Okay, minus OA plus OC, then it's equal to minus OA minus 3i plus 4j plus OC. OC is 4i plus 5j, then becomes I plus j. Cool. So now B. If AC and BD are parallel, BD AC is okay. AC is I plus J, then BD are parallel. AC and BD are parallel. So BD is equal to, okay, is equal to 2k minus 3i plus 3j. So for it to be parallel, it doesn't matter of the magnitude of the vector, we just want to know the direction. So in this case, let's factorize BD so that it gives the same direction, okay, as AC. Move the page down a little bit. Then BD is equal to, we put 1 over 3 outside, and then square bracket 3 2k minus 3 I plus j. Oh no, what did I do? Put 3 outside, okay, and then 1 over 3 2k minus 3 I plus j, okay. So for it to be parallel, then the magnitude of this, then 1 over 3 2k minus 3 must be equal to 1, okay. Then 2k minus 3 is equal to 3, right, because we move 3 over to the right. Then 2k is equal to 6 and k is equal to 3. So this is how you figure out the value 3. So this video is more than 17 minutes already, so I shall conclude this part. This is part 4 video, and I'll see you again with the next question in part 5 of the video. Just here.